You know, a tiny change can make a remarkable success in your life. That's why I was reading Atomic Habits by James Clear. 1% of things we do can lead to a better future. You might think I'm exaggerating, I'm not. But before you watch the video, I don't want you to just watch it. I want you, that's my first step, to take action, not motion. In this book, it talks about motion and action, what the difference is. Motion is, for example, you just learn a knowledge, you're seeking a knowledge. This is useful sometimes, but you need to take action. You need to just do stuff right now that really would help you achieve your goals.
What's your experience of that one?
For example, I can't just learn about meditation by watching YouTube videos or self-improvement by watching Hamza or reading the books. I need to just do methods. I need to do it to just improve myself. Please don't watch this video and just not take action afterwards. I won't be happy. I want you to just take action. I don't care how many times I'm saying it. And I want to give you how to take action from using this book. What are the 3 practical steps I took from this book?
Because this is the cameraman here, hi. It's because you need to start being practical with things. Stop saying you're going to do stuff or saying, oh, I'm doing this, but you're not actually doing it, or because you read a book you're inspired, but you're not actually going to do it. Most humans, like 90% of humans, don't even do this, right? The action part, stop listening to your brain, start doing. Sorry, past confident coach here, yes.
Yeah, it's gone far, yeah, he's getting his payday soon, paycheck soon. There's a lot of habits I've done in the past 2 months which really actually changed my life. Like, I don't really, notice it till then. And that's the thing about this book, you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient with habits. You do 1% every day. That is better than 0%. 1% is so good because if you do it every day, the next few years, you're gonna see a remarkable success you don't understand. There's a good formula that's in the book. It's called the habit stacking formula. And it's like, if you're doing 2 habits, for example, so say for example, you make a cup of tea. You can say, after I make a cup of tea, which is the old habit, you will do the new habit afterwards. Like, I will make a cup of tea and meditate afterwards. If you're doing 2 habits at once, but it can't be a wasteful habit, like one that can harm your health. Another habit formula, I forgot what it is. I'm probably gonna write it down here, but it's, you say, for example, I will put the habit you wanna do in a location at a time. So for example, I will meditate in the park for 10 minutes at 5 a.m. p.m.
AM's good as well though.
AM's good as well, yeah,
you
AM's
have
good.
Like a morning wake up and meditate in the park at 5 a.m.
Yeah, 5 a.m, yeah. You say that, you write it down. That will make you take action straight away. When I was reading the book, 1 page, this will help you become less lazy and more productive, reduce procrastination. This is what it said in the book, and it really does work. If you just use that, I will put the behavior in at a location at a time. I want you to write it down. Immediate satisfaction, the action you take today that will lead to the future. One thing you do. You won't get it straight away. You do have to be patient with it. So for example, if you want to go gym early in the morning, you leave your clothes, your tracksuits and your shirt onto the chair, onto your bed. So when you get up, you put this clothes straight away. And if you keep doing that, like a long time, if you keep doing that, how many times you do it, you'll be automatic in it. You start doing it automatically without you thinking about it. But that's a little bit of the downside about this book. When you do habits, you'll be very good at it, you'll be automatic. But that's the problem, you won't be thinking about it in your mind. That means you're making errors. I don't want you to make errors. You gotta think about what you're doing. When you choose new habits, I want you to choose the right habits, the good ones. How do you know which one's the right one for you? Once you experiment a lot of them, just make sure it satisfies you and make sure you crave for it and you absolutely love it. One thing, there'll be times, this happens to me, this happens to my cameraman, where you feel unmotivated, you feel bored. That's what it is. Success is not about passion, you love it so much, or you're gonna keep doing it. You're gonna feel bored, you're gonna feel tired about the thing you love doing. And that's normal. You need to get out of that habit. You need to be motivated to do it. You got to do it even if you don't feel like it. That's what it is. It makes you satisfied and it makes you unsatisfied. It sucks, it's true.
If you want a change in life, you've got to go forward. You've got to genuinely push through it, because making these patterns is going to be worth it in the long run. You may feel like sometimes you want to give in to all of those pleasures in life, but sometimes you need to say, you know what, I shouldn't be eating this junk food because I've got a goal. And you should put that in place whenever you remind yourself. You can fall into a problem where, let's say you have a burger but you're on a diet. But then you can go back and go, you know what, that was a mistake, and then you don't do it for a while and then it happens again, and you keep on learning. Maybe you do a disciplinary, you figure out things. You probably can't hear this, you'll probably re-record it, whatever, but yeah.
Another thing I want to talk about, how to get out of a bad habit. Doesn't matter what habit it is, smoking, things like that, any bad habits. How to take it off, how to get rid of it. I want you to shout out the bad habits. I want you to say, for example, if you want to get rid of smoking, nearly picking up a cigarette, I want you to say to yourself out loud, oh, this is a cigarette, I don't want to smoke it because it will harm my skin. If I do it now, it will harm me, it will ruin my skin, it might give me cancer. I don't want to do it. Shout it out. If you shout it out, you'll stop it. You will stop it. Because it's you telling yourself that. It's not within, it's without. You're spreading that out. Another example, if you want to get rid of watching Netflix, say to yourself, oh, I'm going to make my YouTube video. I don't want to watch Netflix right now because if I watch it, then I'm going to procrastinate and I'm going to regret it. That's another good example. Get rid of bad habits by shouting it out in front of you. Just came back home now. Cheers to my friend who recorded the whole video. If you haven't read Atomic Habits by James Clear, this book is a must. This book will help you achieve your goals in small steps. But this is the end of the video, guys. If you like self-improvement and you watch the whole video through, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will really help the algorithm here. And comment down below and let me know in the comment section, have you read Atomic Habits and what was the most important lessons you learned from it? Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care.